have had you drive.
Put all those poles in mine.
Let's get down there and we'll do it. Watch out, those are sting nettles right there.
Why do you walk all the way through?
They didn't burn you?
No.
Okay. Oh yeah. All right. Just taking off. Got all our poles rigged and ready. First run of the year. All right, the creek is kind of backing up and I just paddled in a very big fish right here. Just slapped, so we're gonna stick one on the bank here. Just because it's pretty deep. It's actually...
That's good.
Okay, I like to flip the... See how the scales on the bank? Okay. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Got some liveliness to it. I like this pool right here. Yeah, I didn't mention, we've been getting a lot of rain. We had like 12 inches this last month. So the river is up. It's a little higher than it was last year for us, but we had some good sets right in here. We're gonna paddle up a little bit wherever we can. Maybe do some rod and reeling tonight too, so. Well, that's pretty stiff right there. You wanna float him down here, bud?
I'll throw it in and get it for me.
Actually, we're good. Just make sure he's swimming. I think that's a good little pocket for him, isn't it? I think that's where them beavers were last time. Let's see what this is. Ooh, there's a good hole right there. It's deep right here. That's a good spot right there underneath that limb. Try to set this one where there's a limb coming out here. It's a perfect hole. I think if we get that one down, it'll be right over that.
Here.
Or should we go like this? I kind of want it like right under that. Okay.
I'll wait for you to shove it in there.
What? I'd like to get that one past that for sure. Lane's rattlers, we'll see. It's a good set right there. I like it. Oh yeah, that'll work. Let's go up and over here. Put it back out of there. That's good. I like that this log jam's back behind us here too.
I would just go a little past that.
Okay. Okay, I need a bait, bud.
Not bad.
Okay. Oh, come closer. Here, I'll come to you.
That isn't bad.
One right there.
We can look at it.
How deep is it right here? Man, I really like that last set.
Hey, did you bring chairs?
Yep, we need to get a couple right in there, Lane. That log jam's money. Even if we have to wedge them in that log set, that'd be fine. That's the iPhone 5? What was it? iPhone 6? iPhone 6, I think I dropped right there. Beautiful evening. We found this island. I actually got out and set a couple on the other side. It's actually a really good spot where the water comes around. We got a lot of current through here, but tried to set a few in this log jam. Had some luck here before. We're gonna try it again. I know it. This thing, man, this cuts back in there perfect. This water's coming off of that log jam and spinning around right here. We put 3 in right here. I got to drive 1 in a little bit more. Lane's got her held there. All right, we'll be back in the morning. We're gonna go do some rod and reeling right now. This current's pulling me back, so I better go. Nada? Oh yeah, it's bending, isn't it? Nada?
No.
It's hung up.
I don't think, no, I can fish.
Okay. Huh? Good one? Where's the dip? Hang on, I'm gonna come in right here. Oh yeah. You keep control of the line. We got a couple logs here we gotta kind of deal with.
Here you go.
Uh-oh. He's got quite a bit of line.
Oh God!
Run. Hold up. Don't. Whoa. He's gonna get all hung up. Where's he at? Don't hang on too much if it gets hands. He's all twisted. Yeah, let him ungo.
He's behind you.
Okay. Oh shoot.
Get him.
Where's he at? Oh yeah. Come up a little further. Woo! Got it. Nice flatty. Nice one, bud. Let's see. You swallow it. Not too bad. You gotta hold him up. Nice.
There we go.
Lane called it. He thought these ones were gonna be good. I don't know. These other ones look like they're. That far one might have
No,
something.
I don't think so.
Unless he's sitting on the bottom. What's he hung up on? Do I need to untangle? You could feel a fish though?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay. What do I need to do? Where down is the tangle?
The fish is like right here.
Is that branch something we can pull up?
You might be able to dip the net down there and the right hook hit him.
Oh, it's on that branch right there. Boy, I don't know, bud. Oh, I feel him. I may have to get out and try to move that branch up.
This whole branch? Oh yeah, because it's all connected.
See it pulling it?
How far down there is the rack?
I don't know. I'm about to get wet probably.
No, don't do that yet. Pull that branch.
Okay.
That's what I would do. I'll hold on the line. Hand me the dip net just in case.
Okay. Yeah, we should have made sure we were clear. Oh yeah, he's pulling it. Will my kayak sit right here? Is the question. Let's see. We're hung up on this log right here. Luckily it's small enough. I think I can get to move. Oh gosh. Maybe not. Stuck in the mud. Hang on. I might be able to leave her. What's that do? Nothing? Man, I got an idea. Hopefully that beaver did that. See anything? Try to lift up on there. Am I lifting your whole kayak? I may just have to get in.
I'm right there at the cliff.
That wasn't very smart. Yeah. I think that needs to come. Pull that out. Get that out of there. That's what he's tangled up on. Hang on, get that out of there. Oh, he's on that. He's on. Oh, shit. He's right here. Hang on.
Here you go, here you go.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Pull me closer, grab that and pull.
Just a second. I don't want to get tangled. Here, you got the line? Hang on, hang on. Let me get that broken over there.
Right here.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
A blue.
Is he? I don't want to put my hand in there then.
Grab the other side of the net.
Give me.
That's a big blue. That's a big blue.
Oh, dude. Freaking things I do for this kid.
That is a big blue. Okay, he was hooked good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so glad it was not a ding.
Let's see him, buddy.
Well, I gotta get this hook out. I'm not very steady.
Lesson learned. Check your surroundings. He wasn't actually hung up on that big one. He was hung up on that smaller one.
Hey, this guy's got some big chompers.
Good times. Got it. Hold him up.
Here, how am I gonna do this?
You're just scared to grab him by the mouth, aren't you?
I'm not putting my hand in there.
Well, you're gonna lose him. He's gonna want to flip on you. A little higher. Oh yeah, that's a good one, dude. That's a really good blue. I bet it got hooked on a log. That's interesting. Let me come up from downstream, maybe. Is it hooked on something, you think? Huh? Yeah, it was hooked up on something. Nada. Dang it, I like that set. Oh, it's empty also. Hang on, I'm coming in the side. Is it jammed up?
Or a giant fish.
Nada.
So,
Nope. That's all she wrote for this outing. Got a couple nice big flathead and a blue cat. We're gonna go get them cleaned up, head to church.
look at this one.
Look at that hook. Good job, dude.